Lakeisha White?
Hello.
Hello. Now calling the matter of the people versus Lakeisha White. This is ticket number P1314376. Count 1, no insurance. Count 2, 11 to 15 miles over posted speed. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Yes, good afternoon, Your Honor. Sharon Payne, P38749, representing Ms. White. Your Honor, with respect to Ms. White, there is a misdemeanor and a civil infraction, and Ms. White has presented valid documentation of insurance. So the city is moving to dismiss without prejudice that ticket if my client would plead responsible to the civil infraction, which was 11 to 15 miles per hour. However, they are amending that charge to blockading. Ms. White, is that something you would like to take advantage of?
Yes. What is blockading? What is that?
Blockading is the legal fiction, which means your car was in the way. It has
I'll
zero.
take that.
Okay.
She's had this before, so she's had another 11 to 15 miles per hour that she got reduced to blockading as well. It's the same thing, Ms. White.
Well, on this day, Your Honor, it was actually a blizzard, so I wasn't going 11 over in the blizzard.
But you're willing to plead?
Yes, I'm willing to plead for that.
Okay.
All right, if so, please raise your right. Did I call it? Yes, please raise your right hand. You swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right. Did you have an opportunity to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights today, ma'am?
Yes.
And she's informed me that you want to take advantage of this plea of responsible. What that means is I'll read from the ticket to establish a factual basis, and based on that, I'll issue the civil infraction fine that goes with it, okay?
Yes.
On the date of February the 13th of 2022, in the area of West 7 Mile and Woodward Avenue in the city of Detroit, Ms. White was driving a Lincoln vehicle and did block traffic. Satisfied, Attorney Payne?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Thank you. And the court is satisfied as well. There's a stipulation for probable cause for the remaining count to be dismissed because she presented valid documentation of that. And so the court is going to dismiss count 1 of this ticket because of valid documentation and as a part of the plea. The fine for that is $175. Civil infraction fees are due 14 days after the plea is taken. Are you going to be able to pay that in enough time?
Not in 14 days.
Okay, Ms. White, I'm going to give you, how long you going to need to pay that?
On the 29th.
I'm going to give you until May 18th, 2022 to have that paid. Now, Ms. White, you have some outstanding tickets. Actually, it's the speeding ticket and it's a no proof of insurance. That's a civil infraction that you didn't pay. And so they're in default from 2015. We took off the late fees on those tickets, but you're going to have to pay those as well. Okay?
You said it 2015. I don't got no tickets.
Was your name Lakeisha Maples before it was Lakeisha White?
Yes, and any ticket that I had, I've paid. The last ticket I got was when my name was changed to White. I haven't had tickets in I don't know how long.
It's one from 11/6/2015. That's the date of the offense. And it happened in the area of Greenfield and Grove Streets in the city of Detroit. You were driving a Volkswagen vehicle.
Oh, I don't even know. Well, how much is it? Because I didn't even know. No, I don't even remember a ticket from 2015 and it's 2022.
One is $25 and the other is $135. You just need to have those paid at some point in time. It's going to stay in the system if you don't, and it's always going to be there. And then one day they may garnish your check, so you don't want that.
Okay.
Okay?
Yes.
All right. If there's nothing further, that concludes this hearing. You have until May 18th, 2022 to make that payment of $175, okay?
Okay.
All right. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Mr. Woods, you need need to hold the phone up or you need to change your shirt, one of the two. I'm
Robert
muted you.
Woods?
That's inappropriate for court.
Mr. Woods, can
Okay.
you hear?
He can, I just muted him and he has a hard time unmuting and muting. So I'll get to him in a moment, but I just want him to do. All right, Mr. Woods, in a moment, it's gonna ask you to unmute. Do you see this ask to unmute? Okay, there you go. All right. Now calling the matters of the people. Now
Yes,
calling the matter of the people versus Robert Woods. This is ticket number P12523005. Count 1, drove while license suspended. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Also calling ticket number P876967. 1 count, drove while license suspended. Ticket number SP125855751. 1 count of 16 to 20 miles over posted speed. And ticket number SP125855761. 1 count, driver's license never acquired. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
yes, good afternoon, Your Honor. Sharon Payne, P38749, representing Mr. Woods. Mr. Woods, there is an offer that if you would plead guilty to ticket P125230551, they will reduce that to improper plates, and they will dismiss without prejudice 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tickets. The civil infractions as well as the other misdemeanor. Do you understand that offer, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
And would you like to take advantage of it?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank
All
you.
right. Thank you. If so, Mr. Woods, would you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
You can put your hand down, sir. Mr. Woods, did you have an opportunity to talk to an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone threaten, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for this plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, that you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
Yes, ma'am.
Understanding all of that, did you want to move forward today, Mr. Woods?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I want to take your attention, sir, back to the date of September the 27th of 2021. Were you in the area of East State Fair and Broad Streets in the city of Detroit in a Chrysler vehicle?
Yes, ma'am.
And while you were in that vehicle, did you not have any car insurance on it at the time?
Yes, ma'am.
Satisfied?
Defense is satisfied, Your Honor, and we stipulate to probable cause of the dismissed tickets.
Thank you so much, and the court is satisfied as well, and will enter a plea to the amended charge of improper plate and dismiss the remaining counts put on this record today. Sir, I'm going to assess a fine today in the amount of $200. How long will that take you to pay, 30 or 60 days?
60 days, ma'am.
Okay. But is that gonna be enough time, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, want to have it due no later than June 20th, 2022. I have a note too to you, sir. Please slow down.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay? All right. There's nothing further.
Yes, ma'am.
$200 is due on June the 20th, 2022, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, that concludes this hearing. Have a good day.
You too, ma'am.
I will. Ms. Walker, Demetria,
Yes, Ms. Walker.
okay, I'm gonna call your matter, okay?
Yes, Sharmita, because I know you saw Sharmita one thing. Yes.
Charlotte. I was waiting for you to correct me and I was looking like, that must be right. Sharmita, you said?
Yes.
Okay. Now calling the matter of the people versus Sharmita Walker. This is ticket number P1251272. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, drove while license was suspended. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Yes, good afternoon, Your Honor. Sharon Payne, P 38749, representing Ms. Walker. Your Honor, there is an offer that if my client would plead guilty to ticket number 125-12721, which is the no insurance misdemeanor, which they would reduce to improper plates, they will dismiss the driving while license suspended with a stipulation to probable cause. Ms. Walker, is that what you wish to take advantage of this afternoon?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
If so, Ms. Walker, can you please raise your right hand for me? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
You can put your hand down. Ms. Walker, did you have an opportunity to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you,
No.
or promise you anything in exchange for a plea?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial?
Yes.
Understanding all of that, you want to move forward, Ms. Walker?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I want to take your attention back to the date of September the 26th of 2021. Were you driving a Dodge vehicle in the area of Sheffield and West 8 Mile in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And while you were driving that vehicle, did it not have any car insurance on it at the time?
No.
All right. Satisfied, Attorney Payne?
Defense.
Yes.
Satisfied, Your Honor.
All right. Stipulation for probable cause and the remaining counts to be dismissed.
So stipulated.
So at this time, the court is going to enter a plea to the amended charge of improper plates on count 1, dismiss count 2 of this ticket. Ms. Walker, I'm going to assess a fine today in the amount of $200. How long will that take you to pay? 30 or 60 days?
60 days.
Okay, is that gonna be enough time, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm gonna give you until June 20th of 2022 to have that paid, okay?
Okay.
You got that written
Say
down?
June- June the 22nd?
20th.
20.
Oh, 20th. Okay. Okay.
Okay. All right, thank you, Ms. Walker. You have a good day.
You too. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Bye-bye.
Tori Watt Williams,
I'm sorry, who, Your Honor?
is it Tori?
McGarry
yourself.
Wheeler?
It's Teray Lamont Williams.
So Williams, Mr. Williams, your sweatshirt is one that you should think about. Thank you, sir. Oh, all right, thank you. There we go. Says Torrey.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Did you talk to him already, Ms. Payne?
I'm sorry.
Did you talk to him already?
Yes, I did.
Okay, all right. Now, following the matter. No, it's okay. You can say, what, am I breaking up? Uh-oh. Hold on 1 second, okay, Mr. Williams?
Yes, ma'am.
You were talking, I didn't get what you said. You weren't on the record at that time, were you?
No. I just want to make sure.
It's breaking up now.
It's you.
My connection, I'm sure. But I'm glad you weren't. See, now you're frozen. Uh-oh.
Give us 1 second, Mr. Williams, okay?
Oh, my goodness. Yeah,
My court reporter, she has to be able to hear us clearly.
yeah. Are you gonna be, you're not gonna go on the record right now, are you?
I
Where
can
are you?
wait. You can sign off and log back in.
I'm just gonna see if there's something my husband can do to help with the connection. It'll just take a second.
Okay. All right, everybody, please be patient for 1 moment. I can't do anything without my court reporter, so you just gotta hold tight for 1 second, please.
Understand.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Williams, and thank you, Mr. Wheeler. I see you. I'm gonna get to you next.
Yeah, he's not available right now, Judge. So, so I can hear you now. So can we just see how far we can go?
Absolutely. I was about to keep your picture off for a moment, because sometimes that's helpful when it's like breaking up like that, okay? Okay. Now calling the matter of the people versus Torrey Williams. This is ticket number P1249122. Count 1, drove while license suspended, repeat offender. Count 2, no insurance. Ticket number P10542116. Count 1, improper plate. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Ticket number P10542233. 1 count failed to display a valid operator's license not on person. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Yes, good afternoon, Your Honor. Sharon Payne, P38749, representing Mr. Williams, who's here this afternoon. Mr. Williams, the offer for you, sir, if you plead guilty to the driving license suspended and the no insurance misdemeanor, both of those charges will be reduced to improper plates, which are 0 points. And the other tickets, P1054216, 2, and 3, that's 3 counts, as well as P1054233 will be dismissed, and we will stipulate to probable cause. Mr. Williams, do you wish to take advantage of this offer?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you. Mr. Williams, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
You can put your hands down. Mr. Williams, did you have an opportunity to talk to an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, that you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
Yes, ma'am.
Understanding all of that, you still want to move forward?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I want to take your attention back to the date of September the 30th, 2021. Were you in the area of Santa Rosa and Chippewa Streets in the city of Detroit driving a Dodge vehicle?
Yes, ma'am.
And while you were driving that Dodge vehicle, was your license suspended at the time?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you currently not have any car insurance? Did you not have any car insurance at the time either?
No, ma'am.
Satisfied, Attorney Payne?
Fence is satisfied, Your Honor, and we stipulate to probable cause for the dismissed tickets.
All right. So at this time, the court is going to enter a plea to the amended charge of improper plate on ticket P1249122 for both counts, ticket P10542216, and ticket P10542233 in its entirety for both tickets will be dismissed. Mr. Williams, did you post a bond on any of these tickets?
Not that I recollect. Like, I honestly don't remember.
Well, those cases have been dismissed. They were in warrant status, so I'm gonna make sure that we take out, set aside any bonds that were on those other 2 cases, Attorney Payne, even though we dismissed them, just to make sure the record is clear. Sir, I'm going to assess a fine in the amount of $200 per ticket. So that's gonna be a total of $400. How long would that take you to pay that?
I can pay today.
Okay, well, don't try and pay it today, because we're not gonna get in the system. Give us until at least tomorrow to be able to put it in the system. I'm gonna give you 30 days just in case. So I'm gonna make it due May 18th, 2022 at the latest. This does not include any reinstatement fees. I feel like you're trying to get your license back, so you wanna pay the reinstatement fees and everything. Okay, go ahead and do this. These are your last 2 tickets.
Yes.
Okay, all right, go ahead and take care of that. That way, you'll be able to apply to have the license back. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Why didn't you come back in 2020 to take care of these 2 tickets?
In 2020,
Yeah,
I got married last year. I mean, I was planning my wedding and everything in 2020. So I got married in 2021. It was just a lot for me. And I wasn't driving anywhere. So it was just,
Okay. All
it was
right,
on,
sir.
it was on. Thank you.
You're welcome. I understand sometimes it gets a little tight. We gotta take
Yeah.
care of our responsibilities, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right. All right. If there's nothing further, that concludes this hearing. You have a good day, okay, sir?
You too.
All right. The quicker you pay them, the quicker that you'll be able to try and apply to get your license back, okay?
Okay.
All right. Have a good day, Mr. Williams.
You too.
All right, thank you. Mr. Wheeler? Marquand?
Macari.
Macari. Now calling the matters of the people versus Macari. Wheeler, this is
Yeah.
ticket number P 1197113. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, drive on registered or untitled vehicle. Count 3, driver's license expired. Ticket number P 1205449. Count 1, drove while license not valid or improper license. And ticket number P 1319930. Count 3, drove while license suspended. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Yes, good afternoon, Your Honor. Sharon Payne, P 38749. Your Honor, there is an offer that tickets P 1205449, P 1319930, P 1197113 counts 1, 2, and 3, and he's also paid for civil infractions, would all be dismissed.
All right. So
There
at this
does not
time,
appear
keep going.
to have him plead guilty, do anything. That's, which is great, but,
okay? All right. So did you understand that, Mr. Wheeler? Because you paid for the civil infraction on several tickets, the city attorney's office is going to dismiss the cases that you had up today, okay?
All right.
All right, so you're all set. The court is going to dismiss at this time ticket P 1205449, P 1319930, count 3, and ticket P 1197113, 1, 2, and 3. You're all set, okay, Mr. Wheeler?
All right. So it's not going to be online anymore.
No, it should not be online. Now, if you have reinstatement fees, you need to pay those. I can't get rid of those. Those are the Secretary of State's office. So tomorrow, go back and check. If you have any fines you need to pay, you'll be able to pay them at that time. If not, then it should mark it as all taken care of, and they're going to be dismissed, all of those cases.
So I find out through the Secretary of State, right?
No, come on, go on 36districtcourt.org. So 36thdistrictcourt.org. When you sign on to that main page, look on the left-hand side, it says look up cases. Like I say, give us until tomorrow. You'll be able to put your information in, and it'll bring up any tickets that you have left and let you know if you owe any money to and you pay your Secretary of State reinstatement fees at our court, and they send clearance to Secretary of State's office on your behalf, okay?
Right.
Okay,
All right. Thank you.
you're welcome. You have a good day, okay, sir?
You too.
I will. Bye-bye.
All right.
Ms. Jasmine Williams?
Yes.
All right. Now calling the matters of the people versus Jasmine Williams. This is ticket number P 1248946. Count 1, dirty, obscure, or improperly displayed plates. Count 2, drive while license suspended. Count 3, driver allowed passenger ride without seatbelt properly secured. Ticket number P 1248852. Count 1, failed to stop for a stop sign. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. And count 3, violation of the basic speed law, drove in an unsafe manner. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
yes, good afternoon, Your Honor. Sharon Payne, P 38749, representing Miss Jasmine Jasmine Williams, Your Honor, there is an offer that if my client would plead guilty to P-124 or plead responsible, I'm sorry, to P-124-8852, 1 and 3, they will amend both of those charges to blockading, and they will dismiss without prejudice with stipulation to probable cause tickets P-124-88522 and P-124-8946, counts 1, 2, and 3. Essentially, my client will be pleading responsible to 2 civil infractions from blockading, and everything will be dismissed. Ms. Williams, is that what you wish to do this afternoon?
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you. If so, Ms. Williams, can you just raise your right hand for me, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Ms. Williams, you had the opportunity to talk to Attorney Payne about your case and about your rights.
Yes.
And she's informing me you want to take advantage of this plea or responsible. What that means is I'm going to read from the ticket, and then I have to issue the civil infraction fine that goes with both of them. You understand that?
Yes.
All right. So on the date of September the 17th of 2021, Ms. Williams was in the area of Anderson and Charlevoix in the city of Detroit driving a Saturn vehicle and failed to stop for a stop sign and violate the speed law, blocking traffic in both of those instances. Satisfied, Attorney Payne?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
All right, is there a stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed?
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry, I said stipulation for probable cause
Yes,
on the
I'm
remaining
sorry.
counts.
We so stipulate, Your Honor.
So at this time, the court is going to enter a plea to blockading on counts 1 and 3 of ticket P-124-8852. Dismiss count 2 of that ticket and dismiss ticket P-124-8946, counts 1, 2, and 3. Ms. Williams, the fine for blockading is $175 per ticket. That means you owe a total of $350. Civil infractions are due 14 days after the plea. Is that enough time for you to pay that, Ms. Williams?
No, I need more time.
Okay, how much time do you need, ma'am?
At least like 60 days because I'm looking for a job right now.
Okay, if I give you until June the 20th, 2022, you think you can have it paid by then, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay, June 20th, 2022. Have that fine paid by then, okay?
Okay.
If there's nothing further, that concludes this hearing. Ma'am, do you live in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
We have a program where if you're looking for employment, they'll help you look for employment and then they'll pay part of your cost and fines. Did you want to take advantage of that?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to have you call the court. And I'm gonna set this out for a 6-month review instead. And then that way, if you participate in it, and if you okay, then what they'll do is that they'll take care of half of these costs and fines for you. And they'll help you find employment, and that could be just helping you get a better resume or anything like that. Okay, Ms. Williams?
Okay.
Okay, so I want you to give the court a phone call. 313.
Hello.
No problem.
Okay. 313
965
965
2293.
2293.
And I'm gonna set this for a review on 10/18/22. And the only reason why I'm gonna do that is so I can make sure that you actually followed up with the program, okay?
Okay.
Make sure you have to be a part of that. So call my court clerk and we'll get you all signed up. So that way you can try and help you find employment too, because that's important. We can't have you out here without a job, okay? Okay, all right, Ms. Williams, give us a call so we can get you in that program.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
All right. All right, Attorney Payne, you can talk to the other folks.
We've got one more, Your Honor, Tywanda Washington.
Oh, I didn't know you were ready on her too. I left her in there. You got her, she can find it. Well, you did almost everybody. It's only 3 left after her.
Correct.
Okay. Okay. She's not responding. Just go talk to the other 3 people and then I'll close down the room.
Okay, sounds good. Take care of it.
Hey, Judge, I have a question.
Yes.
Oh, I'll ask you later. I'll ask you later. Oh,
Give me a moment, Miss Washington. I was calling for you and I didn't have you come in, so I had the attorney go to a different room. When she comes back out, I have her, we'll do your matter on the record, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. I can do these 2, Miss Payne. Oh, no, she went back in. Hold on.
Excuse me, Your Honor.
Yes,
On ticket for Mr. Emmanuel Williams, that's EMAMUEL. It talks about 2 tickets, but not the third one. It's the top of page 4, MRTMA 2 times limit.
oh yeah, it's a state ticket. Consuming marijuana while operating a motor vehicle, does that have points on it?
I think so, Judge. I think it's almost like a DUI, but just, you know, with marijuana. I can
We
find
have
out
open
exactly.
alcohol in the motor vehicle driver too.
Because what you've got him doing is pleading to the open intox passenger, so you reduce that. And then you dismiss the driving while revoked, but it doesn't say anything about the marijuana ticket.
Yeah, the marijuana ticket is a state ticket, that's why.
Is what?
It's a state ticket.
Oh, can we dismiss it?
I got a state attorney now. Ooh, I'm fancy. So we can either set it for a trial or set it for a pretrial. I can try and get them a little sooner date, maybe for a pretrial, see if I can get a better offer or a different offer.
Well, I'd like to get rid of all 3 of them at the same time.
Okay.
And but then we'd have to set it for trial, wouldn't we? Because they're not sending state prosecutors over, are they?
They are, I have one now.
Oh,
That's why I'm
okay.
like, if you want, I can try and reach out to her. It's better to try and get her in the morning time.
All right. And then this other ticket on Tiffany Williams.
We're gonna call the state prosecutor and see if she can do something right now. And then Tiffany, what about Tiffany Williams?
And another one, I don't know if the city attorney can do anything. The lady sold a car, but unfortunately, there was some screw up with the plate and the new owner was driving it when he got the tickets. I told her she needs to bring in something from the Secretary of State, which sells that transfer of the title or something. So that one, we're asking for an adjournment on Tiffany Williams.
Okay.
All right, but we're ready. And all I need is a state prosecutor on.
I did.
All right. So does that make us ready on everything?
I'm sorry?
Does that make us ready on everything? I know that there's some questions still about that other one, but we can kind of
Does
talk
indeed.
about. Okay.
I'm here, Judge. I'm gonna leave my camera off.
Okay, because you sound good now, so I don't know what's going on. Sometimes it's just a little finicky, okay?
It could be all the snow, you know.
I guess-
Don't
That's
even
true,
talk
though.
about it. It's way too depressing.
Okay.
Ms. Washington, I'm gonna call your matter.
Hello.
Oh, all right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Taiwanda, Washington. This is case number P1255487. This is count 1, driver's license never acquired. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Yes, good afternoon, Your Honor. Sharon Payne, P38749, representing Ms. Washington, who's here today. Your Honor, at this time, the city is moving for an adjournment for good cause. They're requesting time for my client to pay an outstanding $645 owed to the court, and then they will dismiss both tickets if paid in time. Ms. Washington, do you understand that, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
So when do you think you can pay the $645?
Can I get that like in payments, installments?
Okay, all right, Ms. Washington. You
Yes.
actually owe more too. So you have 405 plus 645 that you have not paid. So you owe a total of 1,000, sorry.
1,000. 1,000.
Oh, five. $1,050, okay?
Okay. Can I do that in installments? Like,
Yes, ma'am. How long do you need to take to pay it? We took away all the late fees, but you're gonna have to pay this.
okay. I need like 3 months. I gotta pay installment.
You wanna do 4 months to be okay?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm gonna give you time. I'm not gonna make you pay it all in one lump sum, but I wanna make sure that when you come back, you've actually had it all paid so we can take care of the other tickets, okay? And dismiss them.
Okay.
Yeah. So if I give you August 18th, is that enough time?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm gonna have you come back for a review on August the 18th, 2022. If you have all those costs and fines paid, we'll dismiss this ticket, okay? And it's entirety. Okay? All right,
Okay.
Ms. Washington, and just make payments on it. You don't have to wait till you get a whole amount. Make payments as you go. So when you get a little here, little there, put it on there so that way it'll build up. If we get to that date and you still need a little bit more time, I understand. We'll still keep it open. So that way you can make sure, as long as you're making payments on it. Now, if you're not paying on it, all bets are off. But if you're
Okay.
paying on it, I'm working with you, okay?
I'm gonna pay on it.
Okay, all right. I'll see
Thank
you
you.
back. No problem. August 18th. Okay, it's gonna be in the morning time at 8:30, okay?
At
8:30 a.m.
8:30.
I'm gonna set
Okay.
all your bond at $0 personal, so you don't have to pay anything, but this won't be in the way of anything, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
I will.
I like your flowers.
Thank you so much. Have a good day, okay? All right, Miss Tiffany Williams?
Yes.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Tiffany Williams. This is ticket number P1257919. This is one count or count one, allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Count two, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Yes, good afternoon, Your Honor. Sharon Payne, P38749, representing Ms. Tiffany Williams. Your Honor, at this time, we're going to ask for an adjournment of this matter because the individual that was driving the car purchased the car, and my client wishes time so that she can present documentation that's showing that she transferred the title.
Okay, Ms. Williams, how much time do you need?
I have the paperwork from the Secretary of State. I'm just at work right now, so I don't got nothing on me.
Okay, so if I give you. You need just to do it next week, or when's a good day for you to do it, Ms. Williams? Do you have any days off during the week or no?
No, my job just tell me that I can come outside and then go back in.
It's gonna be a morning time, so would you prefer a different day of the week, or is this day okay? Because I can do it like next Monday at this time, in the morning though.
Any time is fine. I have to be to work at 6 a.m. every day.
Okay, so I'm gonna do April the 25th. It's gonna be at 8:30 a.m. though. Have that information to present to us so that the city attorney can make a decision and know if they want to dismiss it, okay?
Okay.
All right, I'll see you there for an adjourned pre-trial. I'm gonna set this bond at $0 personal, and I'll see you back next week since you have all the paperwork, right? You just need to be able to show us.
Yes.
In the meantime, could you try and send it to the court so that way we can have it ahead of time?
Yeah, I can do that. Can I have your email address so I can send it?
I'm gonna give you our courtroom phone number and call us, and we'll give you the email address, okay?
Okay.
You ready?
I'm ready.
313. 965. 2293.
Okay.
All right, that way we'll have everything in order, so it'll make it quicker for you, okay?
Okay.
All right, there's nothing further. That concludes this hearing. We'll see you back next Monday, okay, Ms. Williams?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
I like your Afro puffs too.
I know it's almost time for you to get off. They probably gonna tell me to clock out.
Okay.
All right, thank you.
Mr. Marwan Wynn,
Yes.
now calling the matter of the people versus Marwan Wynn. This is ticket P 1251169. Count 1, drove while license suspended. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Yes, good afternoon, Your Honor. Sharon Payne, P38749, representing Mr. Nguyen. Your Honor, there's an offer that if my client would plead guilty to his charge, to the charge of driving while license suspended, the city would reduce that charge to improper plates. And my client wishes to take advantage of that offer.
Is that right, Mr. Nguyen?
Yes.
If so, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I
You
do.
put your hand down, sir. Mr. Nguyen, did you have an opportunity to talk to an attorney in private today about your case and about your right?
Yes, I did.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, that you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
Yes.
Understanding all of this, you want to move forward today, Mr. Nguyen?
Yes.
Okay. I want to take your attention back to the date of September the 23rd of 2022. Nope, 2021. My apologies. Were you driving a GMC vehicle in the area of Hubble and Grand River in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And while you were driving that vehicle, was your license suspended at the time, sir?
Yes, it was.
All right, satisfied.
Defense is satisfied, Your Honor.
And the court is satisfied as well and will accept the plea to the amended charge of improper plates in this particular matter. Mr. Nguyen, why were you driving the car without a license?
Trying to get to work. And then I still gotta wait. I gotta wait till June 20th because I got another court date in Grosse Pointe. So I mean, no, July. So I won't be getting my license until July. I don't know.
Okay. Did you handle all of your other matters already though?
Yeah. Yes. Yes, I did.
Did you have a lot in other places or no?
No, just a couple of the ones in Grosse Pointe right now. That's going through my clean slate program that I got. So I got that court date through them. You know.
Okay. So they've been helping you get it all together?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, you got employment, you said?
Yeah, I still work for the post office.
Okay.
Yeah.
And you need
I'm saying, but at that time they had put me off work because of all those tickets. You know what I'm saying? I had really just started working, so
Okay.
you know I ain't really having to pay those tickets at that time. So,
How long have you been working then?
Since September.
Oh, so you just really started
But
working.
I was off for a while because of, you know what I'm saying, they had did that background check. You know what I'm saying? So yeah,
Okay. You trying to get everything together, Mr. Nguyen?
trying to get it straight for sure.
I can hear it in your voice, and something tells me that you need a break today. I'm gonna waive your cost and fine. You keep working and you keep pushing, okay?
All right, for sure.
All right. All right, Mr. Nguyen, you're all set. Okay, you may have a reinstatement fee you need to pay through the court though. So go on tomorrow to make sure that you pay that $45. I won't waive that cost and fine. Okay, you're gonna have to pay that, but otherwise you keep moving forward, okay?
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. If there's nothing further, that concludes the hearing. Have a good day, sir.
All right, cool.
Thank you, Your Honor.
No problem. All right, and last but not least, Mr. Williams.
Unmute yourself, Mr. Williams.
Got it. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, unmute yourself. I accidentally pressed it. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Emmanuel Williams. This is ticket number P 1252470. Count 1, open alcohol and motor vehicle driver. Count 2, drove while license revoked. Count 3, consuming marijuana while operating motor vehicle, motorboat, or ORV, off-road vehicle. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Yes, Your Honor. Good afternoon. Sharon Payne, P 38749, representing Mr. Williams. Your Honor, there is a city offer for Mr. Williams that if Mr. Williams would plead guilty to open alcohol driver, they will amend that charge to open intox passenger, and they will dismiss the driving while license revoked. The third ticket is consuming marijuana while driving is a state ticket. So we're requesting an offer on that as well.
Mr. Williams, we need to get an offer. The court does have some power, to get rid of some tickets, but some tickets it elects to hold on to and ask the state attorney what it would like us to do. I want to ask the state attorney what it wants me to do on count 3 in this particular ticket. So I'm gonna have you come back for what's called a pretrial, in the morning time though, so that we can try and get a complete offer for you to see if you want to take advantage of it. You won't have to take advantage of it. You can always ask for a bench trial or a jury trial, but we want to try and get you an offer. Is that how you want to proceed today, sir?
Yes.
Okay, so it's gonna be in the morning time. Looking like that first, second, May. May, is that a good day? I would like something later or like that. Keep going.
Are they not working for you?
Next week. Sorry, Mr. Williams, my pretrial dates are in August. I'm trying to see if I can get you in a little bit sooner because I want to see if I can get an offer for you because it's not, it's nothing you need. May 9th, okay? It's gonna be in the
May 9th.
morning time though. May 9th in the morning time. So the way you signed on, be on time is at 8:30 a.m., okay?
Yes, ma'am. May 9th. Yes, ma'am.
May 9th, same Zoom information. Be on time, Mr. Williams,
Yes,
8:30 a.m.
Yes, ma'am.
$0 personal on this, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Mr. Williams, I'll see you back that day. You seem respectful. That's why I gave you an earlier date. Now, don't disappoint me.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
You're very welcome. You have a good day, okay?
All right. You have a blessed day too, madam.
All right, thank you so much. Have a good day.
Bye-bye.